My video guide will provide you with instructions on how to effectively get rid of the ransomware called Rryy. So its name is Rryy. The name of the ransomware sounds like that because it encrypts the files, and after the encryption is successful, it adds this special Rryy extension to the files. By the way, this particular ransomware is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. The video will demonstrate to you how damaging this ransomware is. Before the ransomware attack, of course, you are able to open your files without any complications. However, because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the system, this Rryy ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. And definitely the reason why this particular ransomware got into your computer is because your existing security software simply failed to perform its direct function. It failed to protect your computer from being attacked by this Rryy ransomware. So after people turn on their computer or restart it, they soon realize that something really bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use their documentation anymore. This ransomware encrypts the files, adds this Rryy extension to the files, and so soon it's not possible to open any files. For instance, we have this specific file, hamster.jpg, and you can see that after the JPG extension, this Rryy extension was additionally added. When we try to open the file, we have a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the Rryy extension. If we remove the extension manually, the files are still encrypted, so this doesn't help. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery, which is $980. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee that the files would be restored. We recommend you to immediately get rid of this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get its latest version on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, then start the software and begin researching your computer with its help. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner has been successfully updated, the program will begin scanning and researching and investigating your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature is excellent because it allows people to add certain folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attack. However, this feature is the part of the premium license only. Nevertheless, free 7-day free trial is available for you to fully evaluate Combo Cleaner. So you need to wait some time until the scanning is completed. The scanning duration may take several minutes depending on how infected your computer is, and also depending on some other factors. For instance, it might depend on how many hard drives are being scanned simultaneously. So at the end of the scan, you will be able to know the information about threats, about their exact location on your system. And to remove these threats, we recommend you to upgrade to the premium license. This is the best way to keep your data always safe, protected and secure, and to remove any other malware which could remain on the system.